Fans, make sure you visit Cattails Restaurant, located atop 5 County Stadium. Cattails is open each Mudcats home game with no reservations needed. While at 5 County Stadium tonight, stop by the Will Call window. Located directly behind home plate, this convenient concourse access window enables you to pick up Mudcats tickets to future games. So make sure you stop by the Will Call window and pick up tomorrow's seats today. Fans, make sure you check out Muddy's Unreal Deal on our website at carolinamudcats.com. It's a ticket deal that you do not want to miss. Pay just $35 for 17 box seat tickets and a $50 off a luxury suite coupon. For more information, visit the website or call 269-CATS. Fans, you can now find the most up-to-date information on the Carolina Mudcats and all your favorite players through our official pages on Facebook and Twitter. Simply like the Mudcats on Facebook and follow us on Twitter for chances to win great prizes and receive updates, discounts, and promotions at the ballpark all year long. Also, don't forget to add our very own